Today topic is perimeter and area of 2D objects. So see the 2D object. See the 2D object, its perimeter. How to define perimeter and how to define area. Let us discuss. Okay. So this is the closed figure. At this point, this line or this curve moves this direction, complete the closed figure. So this outline, the total length of the curve or total length of the outline, okay, this is the perimeter. Okay, and coming to the area, this is a closed figure. The region, these are inside the outline where the region exists, inside the outline or inside the boundary line. This is the boundary line. So violet color represent the boundary line. Okay, boundary line, inside the boundary line the region exists. The region is area. We can say area. And observe rectangular. Observe the rectangular. Here we have a length, we have a breadth, and we have another breadth, another length. So this is the rectangular. So you can see the angle also. Here 90 degrees exists. You can see any corner or observe any corner perpendicular to perpendicular. Okay, the angle and the area here, the region inside the region, that is the B. So the region is occupied by inside the rectangular, that is to be a area. And coming to the perimeter, how can you define? So here sum of the outline, so total length, so that is to be a perimeter. Okay, here sides we have, so sum of the total sides, and B plus L plus B plus L. So 2 L's and 2 B's we have. So 2 common, 2 into L plus B. Okay, this is the formula of perimeter. Okay, and coming to the area. So how to define and how to derive the area formula. So let us discuss. Here inside the region occupied, that is to be area. Okay, here the region can be divided squares wise, square I mean 1 unit square wise. So here, so the rectangular, inside the rectangular region is filled with 1 unit squares. Okay, and so let us observe clearly like this. So the region inside the rectangular divided square unit, 1 unit square. Each square has a 1 unit length. So the 1 unit length, how many squares are exist? 1, 2, 3, counting horizontally, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 square, I mean 7 unit length, I mean 7 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and represent the length 7 centimeter. And breadth 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units, I mean 4 centimeters breadth. So 4 centimeters breadth. Here the length and the breadth, 7 into 4, that is to be a area. 7 4s are 28. So this is the area, one of the method. And so one more method, you can count are all the squares 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 squares, 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28. So total 28 squares are exist in the inside the rectangular. So this is the total number of square units, that is to be area, or length into breadth. So in the length, so how many squares are exist, so count and represent here, and how many breadths are vertically represent, and the 4 centimeters, and B length into breadth, so the total number of squares, so that is to be a area. This is the method, general method or standard formula for the area finding. So this is the area finding. This is the area of finding the 2D objects. So how to define perimeter, how to find area, general method are. So normally we have seen a formula, standard formula, length into breadth, but we don't have, or we don't know the how to define the length, standard formulas. So this is the standard formula for the derivation. So how to derive, how can we take in? So you can take example, agricultural fields. So the agricultural fields, the area of the area fields can be divided partitions. So the partitions and finding the area. This is the 2D objects also we can define. So this is the 2D object, perimeter and area.